समलैंगिक कार्यकर्ताओं का ये विरोध है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की।
Anticipation turning to anger across cities. Disappointment at the Supreme Court's gay-sex verdict writ large across faces and banners. The centre has taken serious note of the issue after the SC verdict, assuring that the matter will be placed before Parliament.
The opinion of the Supreme Court must be respected by government. Government is the legislature is the final arbiter of what that law should be. I am not going to, extend my comment beyond that.
There is always very deep consideration to the issues involved, and it is inappropriate to react to a Supreme Court judgment off the bat. The judgment would need to be studied, it would need to be understood, it would need to be internalized, and if at all that there is something Parliament needs to do in this manner, Parliament would definitely look into it.
But it isn't as if the government hasn't spoken in two voices on the matter earlier. Differences between the Home Ministry and the Health Ministry had cropped up during the Delhi High Court proceedings, though the matter was sorted out later. But now, leaders of most political parties have said they do not agree with the Supreme Court's decision.
We'll be debating its implications later, but in principle, I think all human beings should be treated equally.
हम लोगों की ये समझ है कि 2009 का जो दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट जजमेंट है वो सही था.
Sometimes the court does some very interesting views on red lights. I just hope they did the same thing on gay rights.
दुनिया के कई मुल्कों में इस बात को कबूल किया गया है, बल्कि गे मैरिज तक को इजाजत दी गई है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट को इस पर पुनर्विचार करना चाहिए.
Politicians may be disappointed with the SC verdict, but religious figures have welcomed it.
समलैंगिकता को गैर कानूनन घोषित करके उसको अपराध की श्रेणी में रख करके देश के हिंदू, मुसलमान, सिख, ईसाई और नैतिकता में विश्वास रखने वाले करोड़ों लोगों की भावनाओं का आदर किया है.
चर्च इसका सदा विरोध करता रहा है, मतलब कि जो समलैंगिक संबंध हैं वो हम हमेशा इसके विरुद्ध रहे हैं.
When the Delhi High Court decriminalized gay sex, people associated with religious institutions had taken the issue to the Supreme Court. And now that the tables have been turned, it's been left to Parliament to take a final call on this contentious issue. Bureau Report, DD News.